what's the best free VPN for an iPhone in 2026? In this video, I'm going to show you what I think is the best free VPN that you can get on your iPhone or iPad in 2026. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So in my opinion, the best free VPN that you can get on an iPhone is going to be ProtonVPN. And that's first because it's one of the most highly regarded VPNs in the world for privacy. You also don't need an account to start using it. And on their free plan, you can change the server and country to get some benefits out of that. And I found that their speeds are very good. So to get ProtonVPN on your iPhone, simply open up the App Store, then search. And in the search box, you just want to type ProtonVPN. Go ahead and search that. You should see ProtonVPN Fast and Secure come up, select that, and where mine has a cloud icon, it'll say Get for you. So go ahead and select either cloud or Get. It may ask you for your Apple ID password, something like that to verify your identity, but go ahead and get it installed and then select Open. Once it opens, you can create an account, but you can also just select Continue as Guest to use it without an account. They'll then show you where you can use their paid subscription, but if you don't want to do that, you just want to use it for free, select the X in the top left, and then you can start using the VPN. All you need to do is select Connect. The first time you use it, you're just going to need to give ProtonVPN the ability to set up a VPN on your iPhone. So select Allow, go ahead and unlock your iPhone, and then it will go ahead and set it up for you. You should see the VPN icon show up in the top right. And then once it says protected, you are now using their free VPN. As you can see, if I swipe down from the top right, you can see it shows VPN right there. And that lets me know that my phone is connected to a VPN. If I wanted to change servers, all you need to do is select Change Server, and then it will change the server to a different location for free. If you ever want to disconnect, just select Disconnect. So that's why I think ProtonVPN is the best free VPN for an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.